Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Volkswagen Jetta TDI MK5. We'll show you how to remove and replace the CV axle. It's the same for the diesel and gas engines as well. Should be the same. We did a engine replacement, and actually we have a failing DMF, so we have a video on that one too, guys. Don't hesitate to check it out if you have a diesel especially. Okay, and we'll demonstrate on the passenger side how to remove the CV axle, which is not complicated at all. There is a trick to do that on Volkswagens, not like regular cars. You don't have to take so many things apart. Okay, so we're on the passenger side now, and you need to remove the wheel. And after you remove the wheel, we'll need to use pretty big socket for the bolt. Okay, this bolt right here, that's the one that holds the CV axle. And you can see this is the CV axle, pretty long one. So 1 inch and 1/16, which I don't know the metric one what it would be, but this one fits great. And one person, if holds the brake, okay, you can take it off. Okay, you might need to use a cheater pipe if it's too tight, and you need to go ahead and remove the whole bolt. Now it's pretty long. Okay, we'll see now. Okay, that's what it looks like, pretty long bolt. Alright guys, and that's the tool that we need in order to remove the CV axle. Now there is, I think, 6 bolts with M10. I don't know what exactly you call that one, but M10 Volkswagen tool. They use those Audi, Volkswagen, the VW group. And if you go underneath now, trying to get a good view here. Okay, that's where, okay, you can see where the CV axle is. There is 6 bolts. And one person needs to hold the brake while you take those things loose. Okay, holding the brake now, I need to take those things loose, and those are pretty tight. Okay, you see, we got that one loose, so you have to do that for 6 of them. But you can do only 1 or 2 at a time, and then you have to let off the brake, turn it a little bit. The car needs to be neutral. Turn it a little bit, and that way you will be able to access the other bolts. Okay, once you get it loose, they come off pretty easy. It's almost there now. So remember, there is 6 of them. Okay, that's what the bolt looks like now, and we will recommend using thread lock on those. Okay, bolt right here. And we'll just go ahead and remove the next 5, just like that. Okay, getting another one loose now. You see, you have to always put them towards the bottom. And once you get them loose, we'll just even use a little impact. It takes them off, no problem. Okay, 1 more, 4 to go. And this is the last one there now. Getting the very last one, 6th one. Loose, and we're almost ready. That means to hold the brake. Yeah, we have a person inside, mom holding the brake with 1 foot up the car. Alright, that's the last one now, and you can see the axle is loose on this side. Now you need to turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, all the way, okay? We need to do more, as much as you can. Okay, just like that. Now if you get an extension, okay, like that, you need to make sure it's smaller than the thread of the bolt, okay, right there, so it can go inside and you don't hurt the thread of the CV axle. And if you turn all the way to the right and hit it, it's gonna come loose. Okay, you see the axle will come off. Okay, it's almost out. You can see on this side. And now, if you grab it, you pry on it a little bit. Okay, you need to grab it with 2 hands, because otherwise it's holding the camera with one hand and videoing with the other. Okay, well I guess holding the camera with one, working with one. And that's the CV axle, guys, right there. So you can see it's not very complicated at all. You don't need to take any suspension apart like other vehicles, because German ones, most of them, especially Volkswagen Audi group, they have the bolt here and a bolt here instead of a nut. So as you can see, that's how it is. Pretty simple to replace. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.